Hello everyone, welcome back. Well, it's me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'm just going to show you the best ever faucet with which you will be able to earn at least $5 a day without literally doing anything. As you can see, this is my balance. Recently, I guess before 2 days too, I was able to earn two, three. Just take a look at it. I was literally able to earn $4 without literally doing anything. I just logged in and these messages were in my account. So in this video, I'm just going to show you the best faucet site. That is going to be Aeon Faucet. The reason why I tell they are the best site is going to be the withdrawal options. Well, they have a lot of withdrawal options. I mean, they have two modes of withdrawals, but still they have a lot of withdrawal options. They support the common withdrawal, that is Binance Pay, which is going to be really useful to us. And they support faucet pay. What more do you want, right? So right now I'm just going to show you the real rewards I will be able to earn from the faucet. So well, there are two kinds of faucet in Aeon Faucet. One is going to be the manual faucet, which you wait and you just clear this captcha. Well, you just have a reCAPTCHA version 2. You'll just be clearing this captcha and you'll be able to earn 300 tokens. First of all, I'll show you guys my balance. See, I have 64,467.98 tokens. I myself have withdrew a few things too. Let me show you for proof. So this is my withdrawals. See, the money were literally credited in my Binance Pay account. So that is for the proof. So as you can see, I have 64,467. So I'm just going to click on the manual faucet. It's going to be $64.467, right? If I just go click on the manual faucet, I would just need to wait for 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm just going to solve the captcha. It's just as easy. I'm just going to collect my tokens. Plus I'm getting a 0.007% bonus. Let's see how much money is getting credited. I got credited 300.021 tokens. And I'm just going to go back to my dashboard to check my balance. Just take a look at it. This is my balance. Now see, I got 64.768. So literally 30 cents within a second. It just took me a second to solve this captcha. And every 10 minutes once I'll be able to earn. And the minimal withdrawal amount is just, I guess it depends for, let's say I mainly used USDT Binance Pay. So it's just going to be 5 USDT. And for a few like TRX Binance Pay, it's just going to be minimal of $3. And the best thing is that if you just make an account right now, they are giving $1 bonus if you just make an account using my referral code. My referral code will be available in the description and the first comment. So just make an account. See, if you just make an account, I'll just be frank with you. Just make an account using my referral. I'll be earning 10% of your lifetime earnings. Let's say Zahid, a user, has made an account 4 hours ago. He earned 4 tokens. I'll be receiving 10% of it. Because I'll be receiving 0.04 tokens. It's good, pretty good, right? So, and if you just make an account using my referral, you will be earning $1. What more do you need? It's great, right? You can use the dollar, change it to deposit, and you can use it too, but I'm just going to withdraw everything to my bank account. So now I'm just going to cover the auto faucet. Auto faucet, if you just wait for a minute, you would get 8 tokens. You can the thing is that in manual faucet you would need to solve the anti-bot links. Sometimes it may appear, and you just need to solve the reCAPTCHA. In auto faucet, all you have to do is just wait for a minute. Nothing, you can just wait. The thing is that if you just make an account, you won't be able to get earn how much I'm earning. Right now I can literally earn like $30 per day. Well, I would create a separate playlist known as Aeon Faucet earnings, so you can understand how, like, literally if I spend 1 hour, I'll be able to earn $30. So you can just calculate it. I'll be showing you the real-time proof too of how I'm earning $30 per day. So if you just make an account, your manual faucet amount, you may not receive $300. I don't know, you may receive some $30 I mean 30 tokens. So with the 30 tokens, invalid claim. Okay, something happened. I'm just going to wait for another 1 minute. So all you have to do in order to earn more from manual faucet is just, level up. As you can see right now, my level is 7. You can take a look at levels in the leaderboard too. I am the 7th position right now. Okay, one of my referrals in the second level, but okay, the more higher you level up, you'd get an additional bonus of not only this bonus but also your tokens would be increased. Okay, so guys, just remember, all you have to do is, you will be already having 1000 tokens in your account. You just make an account, so you would just need to earn some another 1000 tokens to withdraw. So max to max, you'll be able to withdraw your money within 2 days. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful to you, just go make an account right now from using my referral. So guys, once again, if it was useful to you, just go click on the thumbs up button, look at below this video, and do not forget to click on subscribe button and the bell button. Hit the subscribe button if you want more such videos. Well, it's me Surya Prakash signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.